Now in this question we can see that there are two trains running between Mysore and Bangalore. One is a express train and the other is a passenger train. See, they are telling that the express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel the distance, that is 132 kilometer. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train, we are going to find the average speed of the two trains. Now they are telling that the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. So let us first consider, let the speed of passenger train equal to x km per hour. Now then the speed of express train is going to be x plus 11 km per hour. So they have told that the difference in timing is 1. Now we are going to calculate the time difference. Time difference equal to time taken by the passenger train will be more, because when the speed is less the time taken is more. So time taken by the passenger train minus the time taken by the express train. Now they have given that the time difference is 1 because the express train is reaching 1 hour before, that is it takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So we are going to have 1 is equal to time taken by the passenger train is given by distance by speed. We have t is equal to d by s. Time taken is equal to distance by speed. The distance traveled is 132 km. The speed of passenger train is x minus, again the distance traveled is the same, but the speed of the express train is x plus 11. Now when you take LCM, you will have x into x plus 11. This is going to be 132 into x plus 11 minus 132x. Now when you solve, you will get x into x plus 11. I have brought this to this side, equal to, multiply inside 132x plus 132 into 11 is 132, so it is 1452 minus 132x divided by that we have already brought it here. So this 132x and minus 132x will get cancelled. So we are going to have x squared plus 11x equal to 1452. When you bring all the terms to one single side, finally you are going to have x squared plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this using the quadratic formula and find the values of x. Now we are having x squared plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. Quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So substituting the values, we will get minus 11 plus or minus root of 11 square is going to be 121 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1452 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So it is going to be minus 11 plus or minus root of 121. Minus into minus will become plus. 1452 into 4 is 2 4s are 8, then 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 4 4s are 16, plus 2 18, carry 1, 5808. 5808 divided by 2. So we are going to have minus 11 plus or minus root of, when you add 121, you are going to get 5929 divided by 2. Now when you find the square root of 5929, 7 7s are 49, then you will get 10 remainder. Bring down the next two terms. We have 7 into 2 14. The number is ending with 9, so we will try with 7. 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 4 7s are 28, plus 4 32, carry 3, 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So we are going to have minus 11 plus or minus 77 by 2. Therefore the values of x are going to be minus 11 plus 77 by 2 or minus 11 minus 77 by 2. That is, x is equal to 77 minus 11 is 66, 66 divided by 2 is 33, or x is equal to minus 88 by 2, that is minus 44. Now you know that minus 44 is not possible because speed cannot be minus 44 km per hour. So the speed of the passenger train, let me write like this, speed of the passenger train is equal to 33 km per hour. Since the speed of the express train is 11 km more, the speed of the express train is going to be 44 km per hour.